When we look up at the night sky, we see 1,000 points of light shimmering like diamonds on velvet. But hidden among these stars are worlds within worlds. Not just planets, not just suns, but companions, moons. They orbit, they dance, they whisper the history of the cosmos itself. Our own Earth has just one, the moon. It rises, it sets. It pulls our oceans with invisible strings, shaping tides, inspiring poets, guiding travelers, and giving humanity its first dream of stepping onto another world. Yet, as magnificent as it is, Earth is not alone in having such a companion. Across the solar system, moons outnumber planets by the dozens, even the hundreds. Did you know? Mercury and Venus, closest to the sun, are barren of moons. Two lonely wanderers, too close to the sun's overwhelming pull to hold companions of their own. Beyond them, the story changes dramatically. Mars, the Red Warrior, clutches two tiny potato-shaped moons, Phobos and Deimos. They are not beautiful spheres like our moon, but captured asteroids, rough and rugged, yet destined to shape Mars' fate. Phobos is doomed. It spirals closer every year, inching towards destruction, until one day it will shatter, forming a deadly ring around Mars. But Mars is just the beginning. Beyond the asteroid belt, the stage explodes into grandeur. Here lie the giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, each surrounded by entire kingdoms of moons. Together, there are 176 confirmed moons in our solar system, from icy wonders to volcanic infernos. Some so large they rival planets, some so small they are little more than space rocks. This is their story, the story of the children of the planets. Jupiter, the giant of giants, a planet so massive it could fit every other planet inside it and still have room to spare. Its swirling storms and endless bands of clouds make it a godlike presence in the sky. And around it, a family of moons so vast it could be a solar system in itself. Imagine standing on Europa, one of Jupiter's most famous moons. Beneath your feet lies a frozen crust of ice, but underneath, a hidden ocean deeper and wider than all of Earth's oceans combined. Could something swim there? Could life itself exist in that dark, salty sea? Scientists dream of it, whisper of it, wonder about it. Then there's Io, a world of fire and fury. No place in the solar system is more volcanically active. Mountains taller than Everest, geysers spewing lava into space, an entire moon alive with chaos. Every eruption lights up Jupiter's shadow like a cosmic fireworks show. Ganymede, the king of moons, bigger than Mercury itself. Imagine that, a moon so massive it could have been a planet, yet it circles Jupiter like a loyal guardian. It even has its own magnetic field, something no other moon can claim. And Callisto, ancient, battered, scarred beyond recognition, its surface tells a tale of 4 billion years of bombardment. It is a library of craters, a history book of the solar system itself. But these four, Io, Europa, Ganymede, Callisto, are just beginning. Jupiter's court holds over 90 moons, tiny shepherds guiding its rings, captured asteroids locked in eternal dance, and worlds we are only beginning to understand. Together, they form a kingdom unlike any other. Jupiter is not just a planet. It is an empire of worlds. And each moon is a citizen, a storyteller, a chapter in the saga of our solar system. If Jupiter is a king, then Saturn is the artist, the ringed jewel of the heavens, shining like a crown of ice and dust. But its beauty does not end with rings. For Saturn is surrounded by a dazzling collection of moons, each more mysterious than the last. Triton, a name spoken with awe, larger than Mercury, cloaked in a golden haze, it hides lakes and rivers, not water, but liquid methane and ethane. Imagine standing on its surface, where rain falls not as water but as liquid gas, where rivers carve valleys, and lakes glisten beneath a hazy orange sky. It is the only place besides Earth where stable liquid flows on the surface. Could Triton hold secrets of life, not as we know it, but in a strange, alien chemistry? Then there is Enceladus, a frozen pearl no larger than England. But do not let its size fool you. Beneath its icy crust, geysers erupt into space, spewing water and organic material. NASA's Cassini spacecraft flew through those plumes and detected the ingredients of life. Could Enceladus, tiny and overlooked, be hiding life in its secret ocean? And what of Iapetus, a two-faced moon, half bright as snow, half dark as coal? It looks like a cosmic yin and yang, a balance of opposites painted across its surface. Or Mimas, a moon scarred by a crater so enormous it makes it resemble the Death Star from Star Wars. Saturn has more than 80 moons, each adding to its celestial orchestra. Some shepherd its rings, guiding ice particles into delicate patterns. Some wander far away, silent sentinels in the outer reaches of its gravity. Together, they make Saturn not just a planet, but a masterpiece of worlds. Look upon Saturn's moons, and you see imagination itself made real. Farther still, where the sun becomes a distant star, lie the forgotten giants, Uranus and Neptune. Strange, cold, tilted worlds with families of moons that remain in shadow, waiting for their stories to be told. Uranus, the sideways planet, rolls along its orbit like a spinning ball. Its moons bear names not from mythology, but from Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Titania, Oberon, Ariel, Umbriel, Miranda, each a frozen world with unique landscapes. Miranda looks like a shattered puzzle, torn apart and stitched back together by ancient forces. Ariel glimmers with canyons and valleys, whispering of past activity. These moons are icy mysteries, frozen worlds awaiting exploration. And Neptune, blue, stormy, fierce. Its largest moon, Triton, is unlike any other. It orbits backwards against Neptune's spin, captured long ago from the Kuiper Belt. Triton is alive, with geysers of nitrogen gas erupting into space. It is colder than any place on Earth, yet strangely active. Could it hide a subsurface ocean like Europa and Enceladus? Could it be one of the best chances for finding life in the farthest reaches of the solar system? Together, Uranus and Neptune host dozens of moons, smaller, fainter, less studied, but no less important. They remind us that the story of moons is not just about size or numbers, but about diversity, about possibility, about wonder. Beyond Neptune, in the frozen wilderness of the Kuiper Belt, lie dwarf planets with moons of their own. Pluto, once called the ninth planet, has a companion almost as large as itself, Charon. They do not orbit like planet and moon, but like a binary system, locked in a dance around each other. It is as if two worlds fell in love and refused to let go. Pluto has other moons too, Nix, Hydra, Kerberos, Styx, tiny, irregular, chaotic in their spin. They whirl unpredictably, like dancers spinning in the dark. And Pluto is not alone. Other dwarf planets, Eris, Haumea, Makemake, also hold moons, faint companions in the distant cold. These small worlds remind us that moons are everywhere, in every corner of the solar system, shaping orbits, preserving history, telling stories of capture and collision. Even asteroids, those wandering rocks, sometimes carry moons, tiny companions locked in orbit, proving that the bond between worlds is universal. From the mightiest gas giants to the smallest rocks, moons are not exceptions. They are the rule. As we look to the future, moons call to us like sirens across the cosmic sea. They are not just companions of planets. They are destinations, places where humanity may one day set foot, build homes, and search for life. The moon, our first step. Mars, Phobos, and Deimos, possible way stations for explorers. Europa, Enceladus, Titan, Triton, possible haven for life, waiting to be discovered. Moons teach us that the solar system is not made of just 8 planets. It is made of hundreds of worlds, large and small, frozen, fiery, silent, and active. They are laboratories of science, time capsules of history, and gateways to the future. So the next time you look at the night sky, remember, you are not just seeing stars. You are seeing the guardians of planets, the storytellers of creation, the children of the solar system. From Io's fire to Europa's ocean, from Titan's rivers of methane to Triton's frozen geysers, each moon is a voice. And together, they sing a song of wonder, of survival, of endless possibility. The story of moons is the story of us.